Ever wondered why airplanes are so loud? Let's unravel the mystery in 60 seconds. Picture a massive bird made of metal, ripping through the sky at hundreds of miles per hour. That's bound to make some noise, right? First, the engines. They're essentially giant fans slicing through the air and causing turbulent, noisy airflows. Add in the jet exhaust rushing out at supersonic speeds, and that's a recipe for a racket. Then, there's the airframe, the body of the plane. As it slices through the air, it's like a giant whistle, creating more noise. And finally, the landing gear and wing flaps. They cause air to flow unevenly, creating even more noise. So next time you hear a plane soaring above, you'll know exactly why it's making such a roar. Until then, keep your curiosity soaring.